Today I'm going to make payasam. It's a special South Indian sweet. Finally just drop in I'm holding a rose here and I love roses. Hello viewers, welcome home cooking with me, what home cooking is all about. It's about love and home food. It's a must try and enjoy. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm here with this wonderful cake. We are celebrating our 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So we're going to celebrate this with you guys. Thank you all so very much for all the love and support. So continue to shower us with all your love, support and blessings. Thanks a million! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's make some noise. Hey! 1 million! Woo! First piece is for all of you. Thank you all so very much. We're all going to enjoy this cake on behalf of all of you. Cheers! Thanks a million. Shower is other than you. Oh yeah, no, right. So